Hi friends, I am Jitu Mishra from Odisha Journeys, which is our tourism verticals from Sarna Cultural Services, Sarna Education and Cultural Services, based in Bhubaneswar. So today I am at Garuda. This is a recently launched luxurious tourism product for the first time in Odisha. Garuda is a houseboat, a luxury houseboat, and it is operated in Chilika Lake. And I am truly excited to be here to present the story of Garuda. Garuda, you know, is promoted by Vikash Eco Resort. I am invited, I got invitation from Mr. Agrawal, who is the creative director of Vikash Eco Resort, and he is a good friend of mine. So I am going to experience, for some time here at Garuda because we have got some other engagements, so I'll have to return back. And you can see this is the pantry area, and we had, when we came here, we were greeted by a welcome drink, which was very refreshing. And you can have wonderful views of Chilika from both sides, and so this is all about. I mean, this is the first of its kind, and I am told that there are going to be more such boats in near futures in Chilika, which will be promoted by Vikash Eco Resort. And there are about 4 rooms here, suites, and they are of 5-star hotel standards. And where you can spend one night and go to an island called Kalizai, which is about 2 hours boat ride from here, and then you come back and then have a lavish high tea, and then in the night you retire for the day, and next day again you have a small cruise inside the lake, and that is all. So this is a wonderful project, wonderful initiative, I would say, and first we should have actually more and more such products in Odisha, so that Odisha tourism is given its due importance when we talk about Odisha tourism in general. So all the best, Mr. Agrawal, and thank you so much for hosting this opportunity. Thank you. Hi friends. This is a very cozy room, and facing the Chilka, you can see. It is such a lovely sight here, and there is no greater experience than this in the whole of Odisha when I am talking about tourism. It is such a wonderful sight. You sleep here, and when you wake up in the early morning, you see the sunrise, and also in the evening time, the sunset. And this is a very small, compact room with a television attached, air conditions, and with a luxury, a nice toilet, and small one, compact. So this is such an incredible experience, and so this is part of a new tourism evolving, a new concept of tourism evolving in Odisha, and hopefully it will add more and more such products in your future, and then the whole scenario of tourism will change completely in Odisha. Thank you so much. This is we are now going to have lunch, which is very elaborate lunch. And we have the fish curry here, the local fish curry. We had also starter where we had chicken. So the local fish, Chilika, you know, is known for its fish. And without fish, you cannot think about Chilika. So fish is going to be the definitely the main menu. And along with that, you have like lot of local delicacies, jeera rice, dal, curd, and roti, and everything.